Guys, there are 3 things you need to earn an extra income copywriting. Discover what they are in this short video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the 3 essential elements you need if you want to make it as a copywriter, despite what you may have been told otherwise. This is based on my own experience. And as a bonus towards the end, I'm going to break down one of these elements and tell you exactly how to put it together with exactly what you need, not no more, no less, exactly what you need to put this together to make it successful. So let's dive into that. So as an up-and-coming copywriter, you're going to spend a fair amount of your time marketing your services until you build up a volume of work and a volume of clients, a volume of regular clients, which is exactly what you would expect. Now, the thing is this, one of the first things any potential client will ask you is to see samples of your previous work. And that makes perfect sense if they're to invest their hard-earned cash with you. So the first thing you'll need is a website. That's really an essential thing as an up-and-coming copywriter. Despite what some people will tell you, I highly recommend that you get yourself a website. That's a priority. It doesn't have to be too involved to start with, but certainly you'll need a website. Then on your website you'll need to display your work samples, as we've discussed, so that when a client asks you to see your work, they can have a look at your portfolio. And then the other thing to put on there is, of course, your testimonials. And it's very important that as you build up your career as a copywriter, that you gather testimonials along the way, so that you've proof and evidence that you've worked for other people successfully. Now, all these things give potential clients a reason and the confidence to invest in you. Now, as my bonus tip, I'm going to tell you the 5 pages I suggest you create on your website. So let's take a look at that now. Okay, here are the 5 pages in a nutshell, and these are really the main ones you need to concern yourself with when you're getting started out. So you need your home page. That's kind of the landing page. When people come to your website, they know who you are and what you're about. But then you'll also need an about page to tell your story, where you came from, where you are now, and the kind of work you've done, why you set up as a freelance writer and that kind of thing. As we've already discussed, you'll need a portfolio and a testimonials page. And finally, you'll need a contact page so that clients know and potential clients know how they can get hold of you and hire you for a job or discuss possibilities with you. So here's a question for you. What would you use to build a website? Would you use WordPress or something else? Personally, I use WordPress. If you've got an alternative or you also use WordPress, please comment below. So as you can see, guys, a website is a pretty essential thing you've got to have. I've seen people say that you don't need a website, you can manage without. Look, as long as you can show clients to your testimonials and your work samples, that's really what you need to do. But in my experience, I've had a website from day one, and I've pointed now must be thousands of clients to my website, and it's helped me to get business. There's no doubt about that. Okay, so that's on that one. Now, if you enjoyed the video or the content here, please consider leaving a comment below and liking the video. And if you want me to send you more information when it's available to help you, also obviously subscribe and hit the bell notification. Now, we talked about the portfolio in this video, and that's something that quite often stumps new copywriters when they haven't got examples to show their potential clients. So in the next video, I'm going to show you a way of getting around that, so that doesn't need to be a roadblock. So I think you'll enjoy that, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Ciao for now.